Morning from the bell tower at Prospero's Books. One second. Good morning from the bell tower at Prospero's Books. We are the Sexy Accident from Kansas City. We're going to play a number of wintry, dour songs for you, starting with a song from the point of view of a person who's struggling to adjust to changes. Here we go. It's called Shadow of Doubt. Okay. It's very early for a gig. Good morning from Kansas City, Missouri. The Bell Tower Prosperous Books is the Sexy Accident. We're playing 4 wintry songs for you. This one's called Shadow of Doubt. I pull up at home autumn afternoon. A strange car in the drive. I'm early, dear. Person in the hall surely isn't yours. Silently sink in a chair as your footsteps hit the stairs. I'm waiting for the film to play out. I can't leave under a shadow of doubt. When your mother asked, I said it was a phase. From the dark you called just to ask me how I've been. On the cobblestones you're just a pair of girls. As you hold her hand, I wanna see how hard you squeeze. Waiting for the film to play out. I can't leave under a shadow of doubt. I'm waiting for the film to play out. I can't leave under a shadow of doubt. Good job, fellows. All right, this one's called Buy Me Out. It was written during the 2008 financial crisis, because that's super relevant right now. Ready, guys? It might be indeed. You never know. Don't have time to hear your assessment. The mission's planned, the decks are manned. I've got their investment. I've got no ace. doesn't matter. I hold full sway while they're away. I pilfer and flatter. Buy me out. Buy me out. I've moved in. While you bleed, I count up my winnings. It's safe to say I'll choose to play for less than 9 innings. Something wrong. Your voice is so distant. A grinding halt. It's not my fault. Just can my assistant buy me out? Buy me out. I've built in. While you are dying, I'll fly away. While you are dying, I'll fly away. If you can't heed the warning signs, before clearly losing mine. If you can't heed the warning signs, before clearly losing mine. Can't heed the warning signs before clearly using mine. If you can't heed the warning signs before clearly using mine. Thanks, y'all. All right. This next one's called Delphini Sunrise. It's our new single. Locking up my car, looking up at Mars. Suddenly it's weekend. The ground begins to fall. I'm lifted by a call from way beyond the system. Shine purple sun. Delphini is rising. Two aliens are swimming, reclining. Old photo on the table. A curly kid in summer builds a Lego flyer. Stars wheeling freely, popping like a wheelie. Fantasy was skyward. Shine purple sun. Delphini is rising. Two aliens are swimming, reclining. Our view can get myopic.
narrow, misanthropic, adrift in darkness, absent joy. But the pinwheel parsecs of the galaxy shine upon our smallness. We can dream on, belong, get gone beyond. Shine, purple sun, Delphine is rising to aliens are swimming, reclining. Shine, purple sun, Delphine is rising to aliens are swimming, reclining. Shine, purple sun, Delphine is rising to aliens are swimming, reclining.
This is The Land of Want from our 2020 release, Rabarbaro.
He drifts, foggy years of chasing tails, compass roses, resigned until she led him up the stairs and through the grotto, the land of want. Released, sidewalk spinning melody, glowing street signs, wild-eyed, fervent as he speaks in tongues. Shall he take you the land of want?
One.
ocean.
This is The Sexy Accident, signing off from Prospero's Books, Kansas City, Missouri, on 39th Street. Bell Tower Sessions, thank you so much.